Daichi, why were you absent last week? Where did you and Nichika go? The dorm director asked you? Really? That's it? I see. Phew. Hey, Daichi, I don't want you to go anywhere with Nijika anymore, okay? Daichi? A watch? Daichi bought this for Nijika? He never bought anything for a girl before. Why? No, I'm not letting anyone have Daichi. He's mine. Mine. Daichi, good morning! Hey, after school today, do you want to go to the movies? I got tickets to that film you wanted to see. We can meet up at 3 o'clock. Huh? Oh, this? Nichika gave it to me. She said she doesn't need it.